birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Engineer CCOB. We join the host of angels to celebrate with you. Ihe Chineke Junaro, Obaruba Nebaino. Happy birthday to you, Evangelist Ebukobi. Happy birthday to you, Engineer CCOB. We join the host of angels to celebrate with you. Ihe Chineke Junaro, Obaruba Nebaino. In the name of God, be magnified, let His name be exalted. Yanule, Ihe Chineke jiri chanyima. Yanule, Ejima Chineke jiri chanyima. Umuwale, Ihe Chineke tere mmanụ. Ka anyị kelee Chukwu n'ihe ọma o mere anyị. Let His name be exalted. Yanule, Ndị Chineke jiri chanyima. Yanule, Ejima Chineke jiri chanyima. Ụmụnwale, Ndị Chineke tere mmanụ. Ka anyị kelee Chukwu n'ihe ọma o mere anyị.
Zion,
we fly.
Zion,
We fly.
Of Abuja Zion family, we want to use this opportunity to thank God in the life of our spiritual director, Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi, and his twin brother, Engineer CCOB. This is another October to remember. We pray upon your lives that you never end your journey halfway.
Amen.
The oil upon your hands will never run dry.
Amen.
To protect you from the hands of the enemy.
Amen.
You will continue to reign as Jesus continues to reign all the days of our life in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hooray! Zion Prayer Movement Outreach Abuja branch cordially invite the general public to the birthday celebration of their spiritual director and his twin brother. This is an October to remember, an opportunity for us to send a shout out to God's own general of our time. Come and receive the miracles that follows their celebration. It's Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi and his twin brother, Engineer CCOB's birthday celebration. This epoch-making birthday is on the 16th of October 2024, while the main celebration will be held on Sunday, 20th of October 2024. Venue: Zion Ground, Onyebuchi Avenue, Hosanna Estate, Lagos, Nigeria. Come and celebrate the grace of God in the life of this gift of God to the world and the prophets of our time. Tap from their graces by sending a shout out to these great apostles of God on this auspicious occasion. May God bless you richly as you do so. Zion, we move!
Happy birthday.